Hello everyone. Welcome back to Over channel. In this video I will show you how you can unhide multiple rows or column in Microsoft Excel. This is really easy and I will be using Excel built-in feature in this tutorial, and let's get started. So take a look at here in this worksheet. I have several rows that are hidden, like here row 2 and 4, and I have several columns. Those are hidden also from A to D. So I want to unhide all those rows at a time. So to unhide all the rows at once, you'll have to select the range where you have your hidden rows, and then under the Home tab click on Format, and here you can see Hide and Unhide over here, and this menu will open now. Here you can see Unhide Rows, or you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl-Shift and parenthesis. Unhide Rows, click here, and you can see all the hidden rows has been opened at once. Now, I want to unhide all the columns, so select the Enter worksheet by clicking here. If you have data throughout the whole worksheet, you can click here, and it will select the entire worksheet. Then under the Home tab, click on Format, and click on Hide or Unhide, and then Unhide Columns, so all the hidden columns will be open at once. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.